India and the US are making significant strides towards a bilateral trade deal. PM Narendra Modi and US Vice President J.D. Vance discussed this during Vance's recent visit to India. Their meeting emphasized the welfare of both nations' citizens. They announced the finalization of the terms of reference for negotiations. This sets a clear roadmap for addressing shared economic goals. Both leaders expressed confidence in concluding this agreement soon. The bilateral trade deal aims to create a fair trade relationship. It focuses on job creation and enhancing citizen well-being in both countries. The deal will promote bilateral trade and improve supply chain integration. PM Modi and Vance discussed the upcoming Quad Summit and other cooperative initiatives. They aim to strengthen areas like energy, defense, and technology. Vance's visit included discussions on US defense exports to India. This move could help reduce the US trade deficit with India. The leaders also talked about global issues, calling for dialogue on Ukraine and Gaza. Modi reiterated India's commitment to peaceful negotiations involving all parties. PM Modi fondly remembered his visit to the US earlier this year. He highlighted the fruitful discussions that set the stage for deeper cooperation. The leaders also reflected on the India-US Comprehensive Global Strategic Partnership and its ongoing initiatives, including the India-US Compact. As the visit concluded, PM Modi wished the Vance family a pleasant stay in India. This emphasizes the growing camaraderie between the two nations. Stay informed about the outcomes of this significant bilateral trade deal.